You guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you what seeds I've started in preparation for the warmer season, and a few other things I'm growing too. Let's get started. I started another batch of Kaffir Lime seedlings. Using the paper towel method and placing them on a heating mat, I got about 80% germination rate. If you'd like to know my method in detail, I have a video that I'll link and I demonstrate it clearly. A tray to hold the water, a platform to lift the seed cells from being directly in the water, and the sheet here that wicks up the water to the soil through the hole at the bottom of the cells. I'm surprised how well they germinated, considering these were dried seeds that I purchased and not knowing how old the seeds are. This tray will stay under artificial light about 8 to 12 hours a day. Let's see how they look in a couple of weeks. Let's make breakfast. I think a hearty bowl of chicken noodle soup will do. I typically don't eat breakfast, but when I do, I enjoy something like this. What do you like to have for breakfast? It's been a few weeks and this cohort of Kaffir Lime trees have grown quite a bit. Since I've transferred them to these individual cells, I gave them some 936 liquid fertilizer once, and we'll give them some more next month. They receive at least 8 to 12 hours of artificial light a day, and my home stays relatively warm. I'll be transferring them into individual pots next month. I'm also growing Thai Karen chilies, Jinda chilies, cayenne, longhorn, habanero, and Thai eggplants for now. Some are sprouting faster than others. And some yard-long beans. I'm thinking that I might have started them a bit too early because they'll start reaching to cling on to support soon. And some holy basil that are starting to peek their way through. This self-watering seed tray seems to be taking good care of them. They receive at least 8 to 12 hours of artificial light a day, and I'll be transferring them into individual cups next month. These are angled luffa. They germinated only after 3 days following the paper towel method combined with a heating mat. I'm most excited for these plants because I enjoy cooking with angled luffa, but a bit concerned about space since I don't have much room and they grow extensive vines. But I'll make it work somehow. And this Fuyu persimmon. I just purchased these from Logi's greenhouse in Connecticut. They just started to bud this week and it's a good time to transfer them into a pot. I've learned that potted Fuyu persimmons like to be a bit root-bound, and I'm using a well-drained potting mix that I purchased from my local greenhouse, since they are prone to root rot in containers. Fuyu persimmons thrive in zone 8 to 10, but can also do well in containers in lower zones. Fuyus are my favorite persimmon varieties. They have a non-astringent quality, which allows you to consume them both when they're crunchy and soft. The flesh is sweet and to me has notes of mango, peach, and honey. I also have cucumbers, okra, and other herbs which haven't sprouted just yet. What are you looking forward to growing or currently growing this year? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe everyone.